boys and girls. It's Miss Griffin, and today we're going to talk about sharks. Now, as you can see, it's a weekly reader, and our weekly readers are usually fiction or nonfiction. Nonfiction. So when we read weekly readers, we see text features. Do you remember some of the text features we've talked about? Yes, headings, bold words, labels, diagrams, captions. Do you see a text feature on this page? I see a heading, let's find out, and the title, Hello, Big Shark. Okay, before we read, let's look at the inside. Do you see any text features? I do too. I see the heading at the top. I see little captions that tell about the picture. There's another one. And there's another one. Do you see anything else? There's another one. I see a diagram. Do you see this diagram of the shark? That tells us we're going to learn about the parts of the shark. And there's another little label right here. That tells another part. I also see this section down below, and it says big word. We have a bold word. That's a new word that we're going to learn about today. Okay, so this is definitely nonfiction. And what is our topic? Sharks. Read the words with me if you can today. Hello, big shark. Sharks are fish. They live in the ocean. Okay, the heading is at the top. Let's read it. What a big shark you are. Okay, let's zoom in to this first box. I see a caption. It tells about the picture. This is a great white shark. Ooh, look at his teeth. Yikes. Read with me if you know the words. What big teeth you have. Some sharks have big teeth to grab prey. What is prey? Prey is their food. It makes them a predator. Let's look at the next box. This is the box that had the diagram. Let's look closely. The diagram is pointing to these. What are these? His fins. And what is this up here? Another fin. So he has one fin at the top and then two down below. This kind of shark is a tiger shark. The caption tells us. Okay, let's read. What big fins you have. Sharks use fins to swim. Okay, let's look at the next box. Ooh, I see this had another label, a little part of the shark, and it tells us what kind of shark this one is. This says, what is it pointing to? Gills. Gills. That must be an important word. We might see that down below. And what kind of shark is this? A white-tip reef shark. Let's read. What big gills you have. Sharks breathe underwater with gills. Another caption. This is the silvertip sharks. Look at the picture. A little shark and a big shark. Let's read the words. What a little pup you have. A baby shark is called a pup. I just learned something new. Did you know that already? Maybe some of you already knew that. Okay, let's learn about our new big word. Big word. Cartilage. Say that word. Cartilage. Look at this this diagram of this shark. What do you see? What is all of this? His bones, his skeleton. Just like we have bones and a skeleton, right? But some parts do not have a skeleton. I wonder what we're going to learn. Sharks are a kind of fish. Most fish have hard bones. But sharks have cartilage. Cartilage is rubbery and bends. Look at the picture of the boy. I wonder what this is going to tell us. You have some cartilage too. You do too? Your ears have cartilage. What do they feel like? Can you find the cartilage in your ear? Everybody grab your ear. What does it feel like down there, the cartilage? Just like the word said, cartilage is rubbery and bends. Your ears feel kind of rubbery and bend. There are no bones in this part. Cool, we have a part like a shark. Okay, let's look at this graph and answer the 3 questions. All kinds of sharks. So this graph is showing us the name of 3 sharks, what it looks like, so what each shark looks like, what it eats, what each shark eats. So let's look at it before we answer the questions. The first one is called a great white. And that's what he looks like. And let's see what he eats. Sea turtles, a seal, and fish. Wow. If this shark can eat these big animals with hard parts, they must be really what? Strong. To be able to eat a sea turtle, we learned that sea turtle shells are hard like armor. Okay, let's read about the next shark, a whale shark. This is what he looks like. You think he looks kind of like a whale? Yeah, I do too. I see where his name comes from, whale shark. He eats krill, which is like shrimp, and fish eggs. So that's very different, isn't it? The whale shark and the great white eat very different foods. The last one is called a hammerhead shark. Look at the picture. Where do you think it got its name from? Yeah, his head looks like a hammer. Hammerhead. What does he eat? Fish and octopus. Okay, let's use this chart to answer these questions. Number 1, which shark eats sea turtles? The great white, the whale shark, or the hammerhead? Let's find the section what they eat. The sea turtle eats, which one eats the sea turtle? The great white. Dun dun dun. So we'd circle great white. Number 2, which shark eats fish eggs? So where on the chart would we find this answer? Let's go to what it eats and find the eggs. There they are. And let's scoot over to that shark. What is this one called? The whale shark. So we would circle the whale shark. Good. We're using the chart to help us answer the questions. The last question, which shark eats octopus? Let's go to where it shows what they eat. Tell me when to stop. Stop. There's the octopus. So which shark eats octopus? Hammerhead. So we would circle hammerhead. Wow. We just learned a lot of cool facts about sharks. We use what we know about nonfiction to help us understand and learn new things. Now I want you to write a sentence, a 5-star sentence, about something you learned about sharks, and draw a picture. I can't wait to see what you learned. See you guys soon. Bye.